Hi everybody, it's Rick Orlando. I'm back. Got Jean-Luc Corrado on camera here. Today we're going to do something really quick and easy. About 5 minutes. I'm going to show you how to make the simple leek soup from How French Women Don't Get Fat, the great book. It's a delicious thing to make. And how to use up your leeks. So I have 3 leeks here. I bought a bunch and I cut all the tops off because I threw them in stock. But first of all, I'm going to give you a quick seminar on how to clean your leeks the easy way. This is from Jacques Pepin. So you see they have the root end here, and I'm going to cut them on the root end in little strips like this. I'm going to dump them in the water and give them a good shake. And that way the sand that grows between the leaves of the leeks will have a chance to come off. See that? Just hold the tip together, push them in there. Yeah, I learned this from Jacques Pepin. He's the man. So once our leeks are clean, we're going to cut them against the grain. I know a lot of people like the julienne leeks nice and long, but let me show you something. When you cut a leek like this, you can't even rip it. It's like hemp. It's like rope. Once I was eating a julienne leek and I started choking and I pulled the whole thing out of my mouth. So I always advise to cut them against the grain in pieces like this. Now what we're going to do, we're going to save these bottoms, the root ends, because that is going to be the leeks of the future. So look, I'm cutting up all these leeks and into short pieces. They don't have to be really neat. We're going to make a delicious, simple soup. Follow me around here, Lizzie. I got some water on the boil. I'm putting in all these leeks. Okay, we're going to just put those in there, give them a quick stir, and I'm going to add, for that amount, that's about 2 cups, I'm going to add about a teaspoon, where's my other salt? Right here, this is better. About a teaspoon of salt, give it a stir, let them cook about 5 minutes till they're tender, a little more salt and pepper to taste, drizzle with olive oil, have it some good bread, or without good bread, beautiful food. Now come around, we're going to start some leeks. So you see, the leeks have root ends. They've been trimmed, but they're still quite alive. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one, I'm going to put it right in water. I'm going to take one, I'm going to make a little divot in here. I'm going to pour a little water into my divot, and I'm going to stick it right in there like that. And I'm going to show you something, and this is really crazy. So last week you saw me do the pho video on WDST. I did leeks. I stuck 1 leek in water. That was 4 days ago. And look what's happening. It's growing already. You can grow them in water, but they're better to grow in dirt. You can start them in water. This one is actually going to go right into the dirt right here, because the secret to leeks is getting the white part, right? So as your leeks grow, you mound the dirt up around them until you have about 3 or 4 inches of dirt mounded around them. You can put them in the yard when it gets a little warmer or in a bigger pot. The leeks are fantastic. So right into water, change the water like every day. You're going to have beautiful leeks, and we're going to have beautiful leek soup. Hang on, I'm going to grab a bowl and I'll show you how gorgeous this soup can be. Oh, my leeks are just getting tender. Grab a ladle, let's see. Oh boy, beautiful. So I spoon in some leeks, like so. We're not going to taste with the spoon with the sand on it, are we? No. I'm going to hit it with a drop of extra virgin olive oil. Why do we do that? Because minerals are fat soluble. You put a little fat in your broth and the minerals bind with the fat. They go through your intestines more slowly and you absorb more minerals. Let's give it a stir, give it a taste. It doesn't need anything. It's absolutely delicious. So you have leek soup. You have a leek garden. Leeks are amazing. I'm a big fan of leeks. I'm Rick Orlando, and tomorrow, which is Thursday, is tomorrow Thursday? No, tomorrow's Wednesday. Thursday? Anyway, Thursday, cat walks by, I'm going to be on, say hi, Betty. I'm going to be on Radio Woodstock Facebook Live at noon. I'm going to make 3 amazing classic pasta dishes using 3 or 4 ingredients. Alfredo, cacio e pepe, and carbonara. I'm going to show you how it's done the real way. No cream, no flour, perfect. Rick Orlando, follow me and check out my website and check out these videos and stay safe. I know we're all locked in, so you have to have fun things to do. I'm just here to entertain you and keep you amused. Have a great day.